We're here at P16 demonstrating LiveSupport. I'm Jeff Singman, Vice President of CSP and Connected Experiences, and this is Carlos Aragon.
Carlos Aragon, Director of Kandy Marketing.
And a truly awesome guy. And what we're going to show you here is LiveSupport, okay? And so what you're looking at up here is a standard website that we've embedded one line of code to create an in-context, real-time communications experience. So as you can see, Carlos is clicking on the browser button. There's a menu. In context, meaning you can go to sales, you can go to technical support, and what's going to happen is when Carlos finally gets to where he wants to go, it's going to come up on this web-based agent application. So Carlos is putting in his email, and that email is important because we keep history on the users that are coming into the system. Okay, so past experiences can be put in context and presented to the agent right on connection. Carlos is connecting. I'm going to start my session, and I'm going to say, "Hi, Carlos." And now we've got a chat session going. LiveSupport's up to 10 chat sessions per agent, so they can multitask. Certainly in a chat environment, you can do that. When you elevate to video, which I'll show you in a moment, it's more of a one-on-one capability. Now, I can send Carlos images, so I'll send Carlos a screenshot of what I would like to talk to him about, right in the chat channel, taken advantage of through the Kandy API. So I'm going to send Carlos here a rich media link. Let me show you one of our customers' implementations here, and a website will open nice and big and you can talk about it, okay? What we're gonna do now is we're gonna elevate the call to a video call. What happens here is that I elevate it. Now Carlos is seeing me. Hi, Carlos. Carlos can also send me his video, and I can see Carlos, right? And then I'm going to start a share, and I can pick the areas of the screen or the assets I want to share. So I'm going to share my whole screen. Now Carlos can expand that so it's extremely usable. Now, on the back end, for service providers, we've got an interface that allows you to provision clients. Once a customer is provisioned, the customer can go in and create everything they need to implement this in minutes. Carlos has selected the departments. You define your agents. You can create new agents, and an agent is allocated to a department. Then what you do is you create your directories. The directories are basically drag and drop. So now each entry is assigned to a department, again, defining where the call route is going to go, keeping it into context. Now, schedules. You can put up different destinations, different times that you're available with our scheduling feature. How do you get this on your website? Now, this is really the cool part. We've got a button generator that you can upload your artwork. You can create it basic from here. And then all you do is you hit the generate the code button, and there's one line of code that you can just copy and paste into a website. One more point I'd like to add is that you never have to change that code. You change your directories, it's automatically updated. So once you put that one line of code in your website, your real-time communications enabled by Kandy.